Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? By the grace of God, everybody is good, I thought. Okay, stay safe, stay home only. Okay, today I am going to discuss some important questions and concepts regarding JEE entrance. Now, observe carefully. If the line 3x minus 4y minus lambda equals to 0 cuts the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 5 equals to 0 in 2 points, then the limits of lambda are very simple way. Take a circle taken, and this circle is cut by a line. That circle is cut by a line in 2 points. This is center of the circle. Okay, this is center of the circle. What is the center of the circle? Center of the circle is how much, ma? 2 comma 4 plus 2 comma plus 4. And what about radius? G square 4, f square 16. Here constant is how much? Minus 5, no? Minus 5. Minus of minus plus हो जाएगा. 4 plus 16 plus 5, 25. That remains 5. Okay. This is radius. Radius of the circle is how much? Radius of the circle is 5. And this length, let us suppose D. What is D? The length of the perpendicular from center of the circle to the straight line. Straight line is nothing but here chord of the circle. Let us take D be the length of the perpendicular from center of the circle to the straight line. Now I am going to find out length of the perpendicular from center of the circle 2 comma 4 to the straight line. What is this straight line? 3x minus 4y minus lambda equals to 0. Now from this point I am finding out length of the perpendicular from center of the circle to this chord. What is the formula? Are you remembered? Modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. Chalo. Just you have to replace this x1 y1 in this line expression. 3 into x1 is 2. Minus 4 as it is, y is replaced by y1, okay, and minus lambda as usual, and the root x coefficient square 3 square 9 plus y coefficient square minus 4 square 16. It remains 6 minus 16, that is minus 10 minus lambda by 5. If you take minus common, it will become positive only. So it remains 10 plus lambda by 5. This is D. If you observe this diagram, what is the relationship between radius of the circle and D? R is more than D. From this, we can capture the limiting values of lambda. Observe carefully. R is 5 is greater than D is 10 plus lambda by 5. By cross multiplication, 5 5 is a 25, which is greater than 10 plus lambda. For your convenience, I am taking modulus of 10 plus lambda is lesser than 25. Okay. When you remove this modulus, you have to assign plus or minus 10 plus lambda is less than 25. Okay. Now observe. One expression is plus 10 plus lambda is less than 25, and one more expression, that is minus 10 minus of 10 plus lambda is less than 25, right? Here what else? Lambda is less than, send this 10 that side, 25 minus 10, it remains 15. And here if I am sending, multiplying both sides by negative sign, this is one expression LHS part, this is another expression RHS part, this is inequality, no? If I am multiplying both sides by minus, this inequality will be reversed. See, if I am multiplying with minus, it becomes plus 10 plus lambda, and this inequality become reversed, and plus 25 becomes minus 25. Chalo, lambda is less than 15 known, and here lambda is greater than 10. If you are sending that side, minus 25 minus 10 minus 35. So what are the limits? Lambda belongs to which is greater than minus 35 and lesser than 15. These are the limits of lambda. Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear? Yes, that's nice. Okay, very good. Okay, now we are going to discuss one more important concept, form of a circle. Parametric form of a circle. See, in a simple way, I explain you. Let us take, let x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. This is circle. What is the center of this circle? You know already, it is a circle equation with center. With center what? With center h comma k. And what about radius? What about radius? Radius is small r. Radius is small r. Now observe carefully. Simply I am explaining. In a very simple manner I am explaining. Observe. Now x equals to h plus r cos theta, comma y equals to k plus r sin theta. What are they? X equals to h plus r cos theta, y equals to k plus r sin theta are called parametric equations. Parametric form of circle. Parametric form of circle. Which circle? 1. Circle 1. Sir, what is this? X equals to h plus r cos theta, y equals to k plus r sin theta. Here, if you observe, this h comma k be the center of the circle, okay, and this r is radius of the circle, and where this theta is parameter, where theta is parameter, or it is a parametric angle or parametric angle, okay, parametric angle. Now observe carefully here. Sir, how they are called the parametric equations of the circle? Observe. Now I am going to obtain the equation of the circle by using this parametric equations. Now it will be clear for you, right? Now observe carefully. From this equation x minus h equals to r cos theta, no? From this equation can I write y minus k equals to mod r sin theta? Is it okay? Now by squaring on both sides and adding, x minus h whole square, LHS part squared, and in second equation also LHS part squared equals to, then its right hand side, mod r cos theta whole square plus its expression, in this expression its right hand side whole square, r sin theta whole square, what else, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to, modulus of r square is nothing but r square only, cos square theta, modulus of r square is r square only, sin square theta, what else, r square into r square, I have taken common, here remains cos square theta plus sin square theta, it is 1, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. Got it now? If circle equation given, you can write parametric equations like this. If parametric equations given, you can find out equation of the circle like this. Clear? Clear? All of you? Is it clear, all of you? And one more important note is this point. If you observe these two parametric equations, one is x coordinate, one is y coordinate of the point, one is x coordinate of the point, one is y coordinate of the point. They are nothing but h plus r cos theta and k plus r sin theta be always point on the circle, this is most important note beta, okay, this is most important note. By using these parametric equations, you can establish one point with x coordinate and y coordinate, that is h plus r cos theta, k plus r sin theta. This is the point which always lies on the circle. That is most important point you have to remember. Further, in next moment we are going to discuss applications based on this. Okay na? Keep rocking. Chalo, observe carefully. The parametric equations of a circle, x minus 4x minus 6y plus 4 equals to 0 are. What are the parametric equations? Already you know. Parametric equations are h plus r cos theta and y equals to k plus r sin theta. Theta is a parameter. Here h comma k be the center of the circle and r be the radius of the circle. Simply find out the center and radius of this given circle. What is the center? 2 comma 3 be the center. And what about radius of the circle? 2 square 4, 3 square 9, minus 4. G square plus f square minus c. What else? 3 only. R equals to 3. Then what are the parametric equations? X equals 2. H is, this is h comma k, okay? H is 2 plus R is, it is already positive, no need to take modulus, 3 cos theta, and y equals to k, k is 3 plus R is 3 sin theta. These are the parametric equations. How simple it is? Very simple, huh? Very simple. In a cool way you can learn all the issues. Okay. Chalo. In this second equation, here parametric equations. He has provided parametric equations. You need to confirm the circle equation. Then after you have to confirm the center of that circle and radius. So here x equals to 3. No need to write now. Are you remembered? This is h plus r cos theta. This is k plus r sin theta. It is h or k r, right? So center what? No need to find out equation. Center what? H comma k. What is that? 3 comma 5. Bas itna hi hai, right? Clear? And radius is 2 units. Bas. How simple, sir? No, very simple. Just focused. just focused. Okay, already you succeeded. So when I succeeded at the age of 4 or 5 years, you succeeded. I have seen your success. Do you know? Already I have seen your success. Do you know? At the age of 4 or 5 years. When I have got success, sir, I didn't get you. Hmm? Very simple. At the age of 4 or 5 years, you learned alphabets. Telugu alphabets, English alphabets, and Hindi alphabets. If you observe carefully, you may thought it is a simple issue, but it is not simple issue. It is not simple issue. What it is? All the alphabets, if you observe, English, Telugu, and Hindi, all these are having different sounds and different shapes. At that time only, you don't have any intelligence that time. At that time only, you have learned all this. What is this nonsense? Now you have lot of intelligence. Is it or not? Now you have lot of intelligence. You can crack whatever you desire. Okay? Okay? Be confident, man. Chal. Chalo. I am not writing options. Wherever required, I will write application so that I am directly writing question and explanation going on. Right? Chalo, here, what is the center of the circle? What is asking? Coordinates of the point on the circle. Coordinates of the point. Coordinates of the point on the circle. Always remember, parametric equation represent a point. Parametric equations represent a point on the circle. Okay na? Chalo, what is the center for the circle? What is the center for the circle? This is x minus h. This has to write minus half minus 2. So k value is minus 2. So h comma k, that is 1 comma minus 2. And r square is 9. R is 3. Okay. So parametric equations representing point on the circle, right? So x equals to h plus r cos theta and y equals to k plus r sin theta. Very simple. X equals to h is 1 plus radius is 3 cos theta and y equals to k is minus 2 plus 3 sin theta. So what is the point? X comma y be a point on the circle. 1 plus 3 cos theta minus 2 plus 3 sin theta. This is a point on the given circle. Is it clear? How simple? In a simple way you have to learn. In a simple way you have to learn. Okay? Chal. Okay guys, let's move on to our next question. Alpha, beta, gamma are points. Alpha, beta, gamma are points of 3 points P, Q, R respectively. All these 3 points lies on the circle x square plus y square equals to 1 and A is the point minus 1 comma 0. If the lengths of the chords AP, AQ, AR in GP, then cos alpha by 2, cos beta by 2 and cos gamma by 2 are in. This is the previous question online in 2016. Okay? J main question. Now observe, alpha, beta, gamma are the parametric angles. Actually, what is the circle given first? This is the circle given. X square plus y square equals to r square. Suppose this is r square, there is no effect. 1 square is 1 only. So center of the circle is how much? Center of the circle is 0 comma 0. X square plus y square equals to r square. Are you remembered? X square plus y square equals to r square. For this circle, center is 0 comma 0 and radius is r. And radius r is how much? 1. Okay, clear? And if you observe this point, A is the point minus 1 comma 0. Observe, is this point lies on the circle? Check it out. Is this point lies on the circle? Is this point lies on the circle? x coordinate substitute x square, y coordinate substitute 0 square, 1 square equals to 1 square, satisfied. So this is also a point. This A point also lies on the same circle. A be a point on the same circle. There is P point, Q point. Already said P, Q are 3 points on the circle. And also A is a point on the circumference of the circle. And what is his question? AP chord, AQ chord and AR chord. AP, AQ, AP, AQ, AR are in geometric progression set. Okay. Chalo, here first you need to confirm P point. P point. Here P point with parametric angle. P point with parametric angle alpha. Sir, parametric angle alpha enti sir? Previously we have discussed theta is the parametric angle when x equals to h plus r cos theta and y equals to k plus r sin theta. No, these are the parametric equations. Here theta is parametric angle. In this case, alpha is the parametric angle, means you have to take theta is alpha, that's it. And for this circle, center is 0 comma 0, center is 0 comma 0, that is nothing but what? P of alpha is r cos alpha comma r sin alpha, r cos alpha comma r sin alpha. It is a point on the circle. In a similar way, you can confirm it. PQ, Q is a parametric angle of which angle? Parametric point of which angle? Beta. So you can take r cos beta, just angle is changed, na? R sin beta, very simple. And r of gamma, that is r cos gamma and r sin gamma, right? Now find AP length. AP length A is minus 1 comma 0. P is r cos alpha comma r sin alpha. AP, distance between these 2 points, root over r cos alpha minus of r cos alpha. Here radius also how much beta? Radius is how much? 1. So it is 1 only. R value also 1 only. R value also 1. Now observe carefully. Very simple. See. Chalo. AP distance you have to confirm. AP distance. A coordinates are minus 1 comma 0. P coordinates are cos alpha comma sin alpha. Cos alpha minus of minus plus 1. Minus of minus plus 1 whole square. Just I am taking 2 points form. Distance between 2 points form. Okay. Sin alpha minus 0 whole square. Sin alpha minus 0 whole square. That remains cos square alpha plus 2 cos alpha plus 1 plus sin square alpha plus sin square alpha. What else? 1. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Plus 2 cos alpha. Okay. What else? If I am taking 2 common, 2 into 1 plus cos alpha. What it is? To keep as it is.